So inside of the image editor in CapCut, there are something called frames that you can access from the left hand side. So over here, there's different designs of frames that you can access from, as you can see. For example, if I were to go around and bring this in, then you can see that this is a frame with clouds and birds right here. But the frames are actually a placeholder for images. So what you can do is you can go around over here onto photos, let's say for example, and bring in this photo, and you can see that you can simply place it on the top of the frame right here. So you can go around and double click and resize out the frame as you like and place whatever content you want to be shown and click on the tick mark button, and this is how you actually get the frame right here. And this is how you can go around and then utilize the image editor frames of CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.